Hey everyone, Brock Black Designs. What we're going to talk to you today about is cheese wedge depth that we have. We have three different sizes. We have 1 inch, 2 inch, and a 3 inch depth. What that means is if you're just replacing your cheese wedge cover on your bike and you just want the 1 inch, that's what we're going to send you, is just the 1 inch depth. And or the other options is 1 inch through 3 inches. So if you want to add electronics or a horn to both sides, you can do that with the 3 inch, or if you want just electronics or you're going to add lighting or something of that sort, you can do the 2 inch, or if you're just going to do the cheese wedge replacement cover, then you'll just want to do the 1 inch. Now you're not going to see that option on our website because there's too many variables, and so we will request that information after you've put through your order, and we will verify all this information, whether it's color combination, theme, depth of the covers, all this information. We will send you an email or text regarding this information. So here are the couple different options that we have. All right, everybody, this is the side-mounted cheese cover wedge replacements. We have the 1 inch, the 2 inch, and the 3 inch. So if you want to add extra horns to your Victory motorcycle, you can do the 3 inch. If you're going to do electronics, add electronics or lighting of some sort that you need to cover up something, you do 2 inch. Or if you're just going to do the replacement cheese wedge covers, then you'd probably just want to do the 1 inch. This is our ghosted theme. As you can see, the stars are forward facing, so you have the left side and then the right side, so you'll be able to have the forward facing flags. Again, we can do any color combination or theme, and there's the ignition relocation bracket that comes with it. And again, these come with the bracket systems that will attach directly to your Victory motorcycle, and these are all models of Victory. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call, email us, or text us. We appreciate your time. Thank you.